Hello, this is Computing for E. Welcome to IT Support, Hardware Essential Certification. This course will expose you to many of the components and issues that you'll face as an IT technician. You will learn how these components work, and how to troubleshoot many common problems. We will look at some of the major computer components, motherboards, chips, other internal components, peripheral devices, and various cables and types of connectors. So, what is a computer? If you're watching this right now, you're using a computer. Maybe it's a laptop, maybe a desktop, or perhaps even a smartphone. They may look different, but they all share the same underlying technology. The more we understand how that technology works, the more we can use the computers around us to help make our world better. Every computer takes in input data, stores and processes it, and outputs results in some way. In the coming video, we'll learn about computing devices. So, see you there.